Welcome back to DIY RV and Home with Greg. As you know, RVs going down the road, they're mini earthquakes. Every bump, every stop, every twist in the road, stuff moves. Now, our last camp trip, noticed that the wall, the paneling was actually starting to pull away from the studs on the wall. So we're going to get that fixed up today. As I'm getting prepped and everything like that, I pulled a little staple out that they use to secure the paneling to the studs and show you what it looks like, the size of it. Here it is right here. So that is a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch staple that they're using to shoot with. Looks like to be a possibly even 20 gauge, so very thin. So I went ahead and picked up a staple gun and some staples. I'll have a link in the description below to the ones I got. So there's the staples I got. They're 1 inch, so they're going to go in a little bit deeper. They also have a little bit of a vinyl coat on them, adhesive glue to help keep it attached to the wall. So I'm going to set up, show you how to do it. Real simple, real easy. Be right back. So I got that wall secured right there. Now into the bathroom, same thing. Paneling is actually starting to pull away. They use seam tape to cover that one up. It's in the shower, so I'm going to try to see what I can do about getting that seam tape pulled back so I can get those shot back in, get it secured, put that seam tape down. Hopefully that'll work. If not, I'm going to be trying to find some. I believe I found the right color on Amazon, but haven't pulled the trigger on ordering it yet. But I'll get you set up. I'll show you what I'm doing in the bathroom. We'll get the rest of this fixed up. Alright, so here we are in the bathroom. And you can see that piece is popped out again, just like on the other one. Now the bad thing about it is in the shower area, and we don't have a shower surround in this. Whenever we use the shower, we just wipe it down right away. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to release this seam, try to pull it back just enough so I can shoot some staples in and then repress this back down. See if we can't do it that way. If not, I'm going to be looking for some seam tape. So we get set up and get this going. Alright, so instead of trying to peel that back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and shoot some staples in, and then I will use a silicone to cover the holes, and then maybe eventually, if I can find some of this tape, I'll pull that off and then I'll re-tape the whole seam. But I think that's the best route. Instead of messing this all up, just shoot it and silicone it. got the staples showing. Like I said, I'm going to put just a little bit of a silicone over those for right now, and then I'm going to try to see if I can't find some of this seam tape so we can cover those up. But for right now, that silicone will work. That way we still can use the shower. And for those that ask, we wipe our shower down every time we get done with it. We haven't had any issues with the paneling getting waterlogged or anything like that. Haven't shown any signs of water damage. So the rest, that's how we're going to do it. Alright, that was just a simple, real quick fix on resecuring some of those paneling with a staple gun. Like I say, links are in the description below as the ones I've gotten. That staple gun is also a brad gun, so it's a 2-in-1. So if you have any projects where you just need to use little brads or something like that, it worked great too. So see you on the next video.